Introduction to BOLD and DCOM. A step-by-step walkthrough of separating business logic to another server using BOLD and DCOM with an Interbase database. This article was compiled from logs of an Internet chat, IRC, with Eric Holton. I would like to thank Eric for spending so much time detailing the steps involved. Eric has agreed to let me convert the logs of our conversation into this article for the benefit of others. The server create a new application with a form and a data module. Name the module dmServer, and the main form fmServerMain. Save the form as ServerMainForm.pas, the module as ServerModule.pas, and the project as ServerApp.DPR. From the BOLD Handles tab, add a TBoldModel, mbModel, TBoldSystemTypeInfoHandle, ihModelInfo, TBoldSystemHandle, shMainHandle, and a TBoldPersistenceHandleIB, phInterbase. In the Object Inspector, set the following properties: phInterbase database name equals an existing GDB file to be replaced. BOLD model equals mbModel database engine equals TBInterbase SQL dialect 3 shMainHandle SystemTypeInfoHandle equals ihModelInfo PersistenceHandle equals phInterbase is default equals true auto-activate equals true ihModelInfo BOLD model equals mbModel. In the Interbase Troy of the data module include the following code if assigned: shMainHandle.system, then with shMainHandle.system do if bold dirty, then discard. Double-click the model to bring up the model editor, and do the following: change name and unit name from business classes to DCOM test classes. Change model root class from business classes root to DCOM test classes root. Add a new class called person with a single attribute. First name tools menu, generate database tools menu, generate code. Save the resulting files with their default names. Tools menu, generate com/idlguids. Say yes to keep existing GUIDs. Tools menu, generate Delphi compatible IDL. Save the results files with their default names. Save the model, and then close the model editor. File menu, new, ActiveX tab, type library and do the following: click the Uses tab, right-click and select Show All Type Libraries. Take bold object space type library, right-click and select Show Selected. Open the file DCOM tester classes.idl. Select all of the text and copy it to the clipboard. Click the Text tab on the TLB editor. Replace all of the text with the text in the clipboard. Click Refresh Implementation Ctrl+S and save the TLB as the default name, project name.tlb. From the BOLD DCOM tab, drop the following components onto the server module: TBoldSystemHandle, CSHServerHandle, and a TBoldDCOM ServerElementHandle, CSEElementHandle, and set the following properties. CSEElementHandle bold handle equals shMainHandle ServerHandle equals CSHServerHandle. Double click CSHServerHandle and generate code. Save this file as DCOM testservercode.pa. Copy the GUID from DCOM testservercode to the clipboard. Save and run the application. All should be well. The client register the server's TLB file using regsvr32 or tierregsvr. Borland /Delphi/Ben folder. Create a new application with a form and a data module. The form should use the module. Name the module dmClient, and the main form fmClientMain. Save the form as ClientMainForm.pas. The module as ClientModule.pas, and the project as ServerApp.DPR. From the BOLD DCOM tab, add a TBoldSystemHandle connection handle, chCOM connection, and a TBoldSystemHandle shMainHandle. Set the following properties: chCOM connection server CLSID equals the GUID from DCOM testservercode.pa. The server name property should alter automatically. Auto connect equals true. shMainHandle connection handle equals chCOM connection is default equals true. Object name equals same as object name of CSEElementHandle in the server. From the BOLD DCOM handles tab, drop a TBoldListHandle BLH onto your main form. Set connection handle equals dmClient.chCOM connection expression equals person.all instances root handle equals dmClient.shMainHandle. From the BOLD DCOM controls tab, drop a TBoldGridCom and a TBoldNavigatorCom onto your main form and set the bold handle property of both to BLH person. Right-click Bold Grid COM1 and select Edit Columns. Set the expression property of the second column to first name. Add a button to your form with the following code attached: dmClient.shMainHandle.system.update database. Your application should now work.